Hi everyone, it's Matt with Mineral Stains. Today I want to go over our Eco-Prim, which is our primer, and we get a lot of questions as far as, does the primer have to be applied? Is it going to prevent moisture from escaping? And what is it made of? So in a nutshell, our primer and stains are basically the same chemistry, just without the fillers and colorants. So if you notice, when it dries, it literally looks like a quartz crystal. So what happens is it absorbs into the brick cavity a little bit deeper than by adding a filler and colorant to the end product known as our stain, our masonry stain. So in this case, it's going to absorb a little bit deeper. It kind of acts like a glue, so it's going to pull in that product like a natural primer, but it's also going to prevent streaking, especially on darker colors. So we do recommend it when applying to any brick or masonry substrate. In conclusion to using our mineral stains, I have a few takeaway key points. You want to give yourself at least 12 to 24 hours when applying before you go ahead and use our masonry stain. Let the primer do its course, solidify, crystallize within the brick membrane or mortar, for example, and then you'll see a world of difference the next day or the day after. If you happen to prime and then it rains the next couple days after, it's not a big deal. You could come back the following week, for example. So it's not like you have to stain literally 12 hours after. So there's no time gap, so keep that in mind. The other questions that we get a lot is, how do you apply it? You could use a brush, you could use a roller, and you could spray. Please keep in mind, our Eco-Prim is very liquid based, so use a little bit at a time. A lot of times we'll see installers use a roller, and when they start and they go too heavy, it's almost like putting water on the wall and it starts to streak. So just go a little bit at a time, because then you're gonna have to catch up and even out the surface to prevent streaks, and you want uniformity. For any additional questions that we could help you with our Eco-Prim or any other products that we carry, please reach out to us, www.mineralstains.com, and our email is info@mineralstains.com. Thank you.